How you doing, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and wire up the two exit signs. Here's Maria the leopard. You should move her right over there. All right, today I'll be wiring up the two exit signs. I have the red exit sign combo, and I have this one right here. Because like all my cousins just left, and then they went to Italy. They went back. So what I'm gonna do is I'll set up the combo usually in order. So I must go ahead and connect to the extension cord. Of course, the extension cord goes first. And now what I'm going to do is make sure that the exit sign's plugged in all the way. Ouch, my finger. You know, there's like a little cut on this. All right, and also I'm going to go ahead and connect the electrical exit sign, the commercial electric one. Of course, we should put this up. Make sure it's tight. And you have to make sure with this one here. And then also I get another extension cord with it. And now what I'm going to do is I'll just like put it on the sign. Of course, should be in. Just give me 1 second. Alright, so here's our, the middle one, of course, the middle exit sign we should be connecting with. We'll be connecting the Lithonia lighting sign. Of course, really heavy sign with the emergency lights. And I was supposed to have one knockout on there, but what I'm gonna do is I need to go ahead and connect take off the cover piece. And of course it's really hard to pop out. Oh. Alright, sorry about that. There's something like people right over there. Sorry. I just want to keep going with this. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like go ahead and just like take off the faceplate and then see how it works. Of course, we should have like one knockout arrow piece on it, but unfortunately, I do not want to. So unfortunately, no. So what I'm gonna do is I might put the scissors away, even though I don't have a screwdriver for it. So I have to put the exit sign on the middle, which it should be the Lithonia Lighting LED exit sign. We should. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and plug in the thing in it. And then now we're going to continue with the setup. Okay? And then now, I must put it here. Make sure the exit sign has to be plugged in and see how it works. Alright, people. Now we're going to go ahead and turn on the exit signs, of course. And yeah, you're going to see this exit sign and that exit sign and this exit sign right there. Of course, they're going to turn on. But this exit sign will take actually 2 seconds to turn on. But what I'm going to do, if I hit that switch, these two exit signs will turn on. And that will turn on like in 2 seconds. You're going to see this thing going. Get ready? Alright. So as you can see now, all the exit signs are powered on. I will give them a test. Alright. See it to test them, see how they work. Yep. The last one. Oop. Alright, so that's how you like wire up the three. Oh! Sorry. That's how you wire up the 3 exit signs. Of course, thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment, subscribe. But I mean, not 3. I'm sorry. I mean the 2 exit signs, the commercial electric sign and the Lithonia lighting sign, the one in the middle. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please comment and subscribe if you like. Enjoy it. Have a good day.